Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best marine GPS and chart plotters that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Simrad GO7 XSE Chartplotter. So, I happen to have come across the Simrad Marine GPS and Chartplotter while looking for a replacement to my old Garmin model. It's not like the Garmin had any issue, it's just that I wanted a change after using a single brand for a long time. I was torn between the Simrad Marine GPS and the Raymarine A78. However, after giving it a thought, I settled for the Simrad. I must admit, ever since, I haven't had any complaints whatsoever. This product blew my expectations, and I must admit, in my over 30 years experience, I haven't seen many marine GPSs with such a performance. The ease with which I could operate it was simply flabbergasting. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Humminbird 410210-1 HELIX 5 CHIRP GPS G2 Fish Finder. Humminbird is one of the most popular brands of chart plotters and fish finders in today's market. Their HELIX 5 is affordable, effective, and accurate. Those are some of the reasons it's one of the most popular chart plotters available right now. Humminbird's HELIX 5 combines a simple base map with a great down imaging fish finder. That means it's an affordable option both for navigation and fishing. If you want to upgrade to more detailed maps, highly recommended for heavy navigation, you'll need to take advantage of the onboard micro SD card slot. Beware, however, that maps can cost quite a bit to upgrade. It's worth noting that the base maps do include buoys, day markers, hazards, marinas and countless other navigation aids. Best for those with a low budget looking for the best marine GPS, fish finder, chart plotter combo. At number 3, we have the Raymarine Dragonfly Pro CHIRP Fish Finder. I was torn between Garmin and Raymarine during my first purchase, and I decided to go for Garmin. The Garmin model I went for worked impressively. However, I later decided to give this Raymarine GPS a shot as well to evaluate their performance and determine which among them was better. I wouldn't make a distinction since these two devices seem to exhibit excellent capabilities. I bought this Raymarine GPS from Amazon and decided to give it a shot. First, I think its price was something worth commending. The ease with which I could operate it was simply unsurpassed. At number 2, we have the Garmin GPSMAP 78SC Waterproof Marine GPS and Chartplotter. Although I have several Garmin devices, I also opted to purchase this device because it makes use of AA batteries. Also, the price was reasonably low, given its superior construction. The design and functionality are the things which struck me with their excellent performance. The control buttons are strategically placed, while its unique size makes it ideal for my daily adventures in the sea. The screen resolution is something else you'll love. And yes, I also find its revolutionary construction worth every last coin. And finally, at number 1, we have the Garmin echoMAP CHIRP 53CV. Finally, I came across this product and had added it to my list of must-have products this year. I haven't had the chance to use it, but online illustrations and the opinions of a few of my friends who have used it are enough evidence that this is a unique product. I have given it a thought and will be getting it this year. There are several things I love about it. First, it offers an easy installation process as displayed in the video I watched. I got a chance, and I'm confident that this is the accurate marine GPS I need even to catch more schools of fish than I have ever had before.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.